brother to help me clean my fan today, and he told me no. I don't feel bad because yesterday when he asked me for something, I told him no as well. So now we are even, and which means that I have to clean my fan by myself. And if I clean my fan by myself, it means I want to do clean up because the place will be so messy and I'll feel uncomfortable. So yeah. This whole experience just made me realize that saying no is a means of setting boundaries. People need to understand the importance of boundaries because when you don't place certain boundaries at people, they would overstep it. Like if you don't tell people this is the boundary I have, this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do, they would overstep it. And sometimes they might not even know that they are overstepping that boundary with you. They might just feel like, oh, you're my friend, you're my brother, you're my sister, you're my this, you're my that. So like it's cool. It's not cool. One way I say no is just by clearly saying no. I'm sorry, I can't help you. And sometimes, yeah, I really cannot help you. Like I am really, really broke. Like I don't have the means to help you. Like I'm so sorry, I can't help you. Like I would just say it pop and plain. Like before, I used to like ignore people, but I've grown to understand that we are all mature. Yeah, it's my money. If I want to give it, I'll give it. If I don't want to give it, I'll not give it. It's my property. If I want to give it, I'll give it. If I don't want to give it, I will not give it. You will not come and beat me if I don't want to help you. But like ignoring people is very, very rude. Like I just feel like there's no need for you to be that dramatic. Do you understand? Like no matter what the situation may be, I just don't feel like you should ignore somebody when somebody asks for your help because genuinely you don't know if the person is actually in need of help or the person is in need of something at that moment and the person really thought that you could come through for the person. Do you understand? So don't be rude, don't ignore the person, just be nice and be like, oh see, I'm so sorry, but as it stands now, myself, I don't get, I can't really help you. Hope I'm playing like the person might feel bad, the person might feel like, oh, you don't want to give it to me, da 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 da. It's none of your business, it's the person's business. If the person wants to assume and let the person assume, it's not your business. And even if you hide and you don't want to give, it's still your property. You must not give. Do you understand? You can say no. It's okay to say no. The one way I always deal with feeling guilty when I say no is that I always tell myself that, see, you don't owe anybody anything. Like, if you want to be nice, be nice. If you don't want to be nice, it's okay. I think I'm looking for my jacket. I hate the fact that if I scatter this thing, I would have to now arrange it when I'm done creating this content. Hi. I mean, I should learn to start folding my things like a civilized person. Oh, okay. Found it. Oh my god, now I have to take it back inside. Like I said, always remind yourself that you don't owe anybody anything. Like, don't let anybody make you feel guilty because, oh, you said no to me, da 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 da. Da. My dear, I cannot help you. I would have loved to, but right now I'm not in a position to help you. And it's fine, oh. Because if my turn reach and you say you cannot help me, don't help. I'm not forcing you. You can always say no to me. Like I'm not gonna feel bad because I've grown to an extent to understand that people have their own choices. That's where boundary comes in. People have their own choices. And because it's their choice, whatever they want to do with whatever they want to do with their thing or their money or whatever, it's fine. If you say no to me, okay, no wahala. No wahala, I would look for somewhere else to get it. Do you understand? Like, there's no time for me to come and start throwing my face and keep and squeeze my face and be like, you said no to me this time around, don't worry, I'll say no to you. But bruh, I don't have that time. Another thing you need to understand is that we cannot always be good to people. Far all the time. You don't have to be good all the time because no matter what you do, people will still talk. People would always talk. People would always find something to say about you that is bad. Like, oh, this person is always like this person. People would always talk. So say no when you want to say no. And if we are being honest, if you're always too good to people, people will always take you for granted. The truth is, oh my god, they took light. This whole thing is just reminding me of when somebody came to ask me for my LED light. I was like, no. because I just bought it then, and almost if you know how LED light is expensive, and you know how people mishandle what is not their property, you understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is one of the things that happen when you're a content creator living in Nigeria. NEPA will just take their lights whenever they're so pleased without even asking, can't they see we are using the lights? What is their problem? Eh? Did they ask me if I'm done creating content? As I was saying, people would use you if you're too good. Like if you're my friend and you feel like I'm asking you for something repeatedly over and over and over again, and you're not comfortable with like giving it to me, please tell me no. Because if you don't tell me no, I might not know that I'm crossing my boundaries with you. Do you get? So like always say that, see, oh boy or oh girl, please, this thing you're doing, I'm not really comfortable. Da 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 da. Da. Like life is not supposed to be hard, though. Do you get? I think I want to wear this and make my video so that when my mother is watching it, she's not going to say that I was showing my nakedness to the world. Sorry, guys. I'm sweating little delight. Rich people. Because the truth is, sometimes you'll be so nice to people when it's time for them to pay back. Now I have to start begging you for my money that you came to borrow from me. That's not fair. Like people have borrowed money and I'm like, you know what, just keep it because now it's getting annoying. I have to remind you constantly, where's my money? You said today. And sometimes people will go as fast, not even picking your call, they'll completely ignore you. Like completely. And that's like I feel that is very, very stupid, childish behavior. Because now you've done that. And if next time you're in actual need and you're dying, I will not help you because when I helped you, you took it for granted. Do you understand? I will not help you again. Because why are you switching off your phone for my money? I'm calling you. You told me you're going to drop the money or you're going to send me the money by so time. And now, please, you're making me uncomfortable. I don't like your staring. Can you kindly leave? Let me tell you that I am go if your body is to mistakenly show on this video, I would upload it like that. Let me have you know that I would upload it like that.
Are you sure you are calling somebody on Instagram?
Try it now. Because there is proof that I actually told you to leave and you refuse. If one part of your body mistakenly shown as your nakedness, I will upload it. Let me tell you that now.
Wow. Does he want to end your content creation career? You know people that will spoil it for you. Well,
Yes. Now that you've done something very immature and you're ignoring my calls and blah, 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 when you're in actual need or when you're in serious danger and you need my help, I will not help you because why are you ignoring me for my own money? Human beings can be very, very funny. That's why sometimes is when if you want to tell somebody no, be strong and say no, I cannot help you. No, I cannot do it because I know you. If I give you now, when I actually do need my money, and I'm asking you, where is my money? Where is my property? Bring it back for me now. I don't borrow you. Oh yeah, it's time for you to return it. Bring it back now. You start ignoring me for my own thing. Ha! If I tell you no, best believe that I don't feel guilty. I don't feel bad. I don't feel bad because I have had a conversation with every part of my body, my brain, my heart, my mouth. We are all in agreement that we should not give you this thing. So I would never feel guilty for not giving you something or for saying no to you. Please. There's no need for you to feel bad when you're telling somebody no. Like say with your full chest, no. No means no. No means no for anything. Can you help me do this? No, I cannot. Can you help me do that? No, I cannot. Can you send me this? No, I cannot. I think it's high time we start normalizing saying no to people because some people just like to be testing your patience. They just want to be testing you like you're just trying to poke me to get a reaction. You're poking me. I don't like that. Sometimes I ask people for help. Almost all the time I ask people for help. So it's okay if you want to ask me for help. But now, let me tell you what happened. You asked for help today. I gave you the help. Tomorrow again, you called me and you were like, "Oh, this is what is happening to me. Da, 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 da. I need your help." And I pull up for you. The third time you're coming to me like this is like back to back to back. It's not like, let's say, this week you asked for help, you left. Next week you asked for help. No, it's like back to back to back, bro. No. And at first I felt really guilty. I felt really bad. But no, you don't know what I'm going through. You don't know what I'm struggling with. But I'm still like trying my best to come and pull up for you. And then you're now making it look like it's now your birthright. Please, not too much good morning, nine because how are you? I strongly believe that if you want to say no with your full chest and don't feel guilty about it. Don't feel bad that you're saying no. Clear your conscience that okay, I cannot help this person. I can't do this right now. I'm going through a lot as well. If I give you this one, who's going to take care of me? Who's going to do this for me? Who's going to do that for me? Sometimes it's okay to be selfish. Yeah, think about yourself. Put yourself first sometimes because the truth is human beings are selfish. Human beings will only care about themselves. So you have to learn to care about yourself, learn to be selfish with certain things, and just set boundaries with people. That's just how it works. Tell people plainly, I don't like you doing this. Please don't do this. Don't do that. Sometimes they'll feel bad. Sometimes they'll feel like, oh, you're being proud. You're doing this. You're doing that. But as long as you're not comfortable with what the person is doing, you tell the person clearly, please stop it. Don't do it. Why do human beings stop boundaries sometimes? Huh. Anyways, if we should share your experiences with what it's like to actually set boundaries and how it affected your relationship or friendship or whatever ship it may be, I'd like to hear the gist because sometimes I feel like when you set certain boundaries, people start giving you distance and da 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 da. Da. So yeah, just let me know what it's like for you when you set boundaries with certain people or when you had set boundaries with certain people. And don't forget to follow me, yeah, for more videos or vlogs like this. I think let's just see how it goes. Just follow me.